Hey guys, I just want to show you how to get Canva Pro subscription for literally free because the website I'm going to show you will help you get the premium version of Canva Pro at a very, very low price compared to the original price. So to start, you must click the first link in the description because it'll help you get an additional discount on the initial low price. And trust me, you don't want to miss that out. Once you click the link and you're on the page, you will see the multiple services they're offering like Netflix, Tidal, and other ones at the same low prices from the originals. Anyways, just scroll down and find Canva Pro. Once you find Canva Pro, click on it. It should take you to the product page where you can see all the details. Now just double check the subscription duration and the price, which is already way cheaper than the official Canva Pro price. Then click on the Buy Now button. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to quickly register an account. Just enter your email and create a password. Takes less than a minute. After you're logged in and ready to check out, this is the important part. Make sure to use the discount code JAAKF during checkout. Type it in exactly like that and apply it. You'll get an extra discount on top of the already cheap price. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive an email with instructions or the Canva Pro login credentials. Just follow those steps, log in, and boom. You're now using Canva Pro at a fraction of the cost. That's it. Super easy, beginner friendly, and you save a lot. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips like this.